I'm Simon Myatt, Divisional Manager for Apetito Nurseries. So we're here at the Childcare Expo in Coventry, where we not only show and sample our food to nursery managers and practitioners throughout the day, but it also gives us an opportunity to explain what we do and how we can help them with a very simple solution to a very challenging problem, which is mealtimes. I think it's really important we're here today. The people and the nurseries that will ultimately end up taking our food attend these kind of events. So the Childcare Expo is a perfect opportunity for us to showcase what we do and really just to get our name out there where maybe people may not have heard of us in the past. Our system is very simple. You don't need any skilled labour. We can support on the allergen side where we have our own labs on site and we test every batch of food to make sure that what we are selling into early years is fit for purpose. We can also add value into what we do. So we have food education where we can actually support the nurseries on informing the children how to make healthy food choices. In addition to that, we can support with budgets and flexible menu planning. So we provide a complete solution to help nurseries solve that challenging mealtime problem. So the day so far has been excellent. We've had terrific feedback for the food. We've got some great leads, which is why we're here in the first place. And we're creating a great deal of awareness about who we are and what we're doing. Looking forward to the rest of the day.